In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to add the visit type dropdown in your Schedule widget. And to do that, let's go to your HelloNote app, then go to Settings, scroll down and move to Visit Type, and start activating visit types that you would like to appear on your list. So for this example, I already have follow-ups, orthotics, and discharge. So if you want to add visit type to the list, just go to Actions, click on Edit, check the Show on Widget, and then click Save. And you should see a green checkbox under the Show in Widget column for telehealth. And then going back to our Schedule widget, click on the Visit Type dropdown, and now you can see we have telehealth added to our visit type. And that's how you add the visit type in your HelloNote Schedule widget.